जैसे ही मैं अपार्टमेंट में एंटर हुई, ये सबसे ज़्यादा आई कैचिंग था मेरे लिए. Actually, it's very nice area outside also. तो area wise भी this is very good. It's not that costly which the Munich apartment cost is. So actually I like the price also. So just one thing, just to be stretched, 100% financing is possible.
It's
with this
possible. Definitely it's
apartment.
possible.
This particular area, which is known as Trudring, is one of my favorite area because this is very calm and a lot of millionaires live here. So actually I wanted to be sometimes. So I really want to shift. A lot of people are coming to see this apartment, so it's actually good or bad, both way for you. Maybe bad because as soon as you watch this video, if you are really liking it, तो आप contact कर सकते हो. और अगर उससे पहले हमें पसंद आ गया तो we can actually go for it. You contact them as soon as possible because you know with this price you will get nothing here. So I'm very sure if you will come and see this apartment, you will like it, and with this cost, you will even love it more. And they can actually help you with financing and with other documentation. So I think that's really a great thing.
That's great.
So, So guys, as promised, we are here to see another property. I think I really like this property, but still I want to show you because I promised that we will show you the property. So Vanessa is here. Vanessa, you want to? Because you know, I gave her some requirement and she came exactly what I needed. I really love this apartment. I want to show that, but let's sit because this is the part of the apartment, right?
That's the best part.
Yeah. Welcome back to our channel and ज़्यादा time waste नहीं करूँगी. I will just start the video straightforward because Vanessa doesn't have time. A lot of people are coming to see this apartment, so it's actually good or bad, both way for you. Maybe bad because as soon as you watch this video, if you are really liking it, तो आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. और अगर उससे पहले हमें पसंद आ गया तो वी कैन एक्चुअली गो फॉर इट. बट यार लाइक टेल मी अबाउट द अपार्टमेंट वेनेसा जस्ट लिटिल बिट सो दैट.
Yeah, it's actually a very special one. I mean, you guys came already inside and see, wow, I really like it. So you have that huge terrace over here. The best part here, you have a peace of mind for the next, I would say 15 to 20 years because it's very deeply renovated. It's existing property, but everything was taken out and they put in new. So it looks like a new build, like a Neubau, right? And especially the area, very quiet area for families. You have schools, shopping, malls, everything close by. But also, it's when you come in, you have the beautiful space in the front and a great layout. You have 2 bedrooms, so for a master and then maybe a kids or. And actually, you have a small home office. You don't need to do 2 home office if you want. And then you have a huge living space with an open kitchen counter, a balcony. So this is not the only terrace. Yeah, very special.
Yeah, I think I agree with Vanessa. This particular area, which is known as Trudring, is one of my favorite area because this is very calm and a lot of millionaires live here. So actually I wanted to be sometimes. So I really want to
be
shift.
one. We want to be one.
No, just jokes apart. But
Yeah.
actually I like this area a
Yeah.
lot. It's not far. It's actually in Munich. Exactly in Munich. So it's one of the best thing, and in terms of apartment there are a lot of good things. So let's show them how
Yes.
exactly this apartment looks and maybe about the cost and other things you can tell at the end, or we can also share something in the description box so you can
Sure.
actually look around.
Sure.
But it's not that costly which the Munich apartment cost is. So actually I like the price also because I shared that okay, this is what
Yeah.
I want to go for it, and I think it's not
Yeah.
very expensive. It's expensive, I'm not saying that it's like not expensive, but I think
Yeah,
it's good with the what we are getting. It's the good price we have. Okay, so let's go and maybe we can talk about some of the finances part also.
we can also do that. That's also a very important part. Because you might like the apartment, right? But if the finances don't work, it's just yeah, you have to that's kind of the base, that's the foundation of such a purchase.
Okay, so just wait, watch till end because a lot of good things are coming which actually help you in terms of buying your own apartment in Germany or New York. So let's go and
Awesome.
like how I see the apartment for buying it, मैं उसी नज़रों से आपको बताऊंगी. So सबसे पहले तो this is what we park our car. So it's actually very open and then there are stairs से हम ऊपर आए. This apartment is 100 quadrat meter जो कि काफ़ी big है. And the best part is this terrace and I'm not here to sell anything. Just like जो मैं देख रही हूँ वो मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ ताकि आपको भी वही लगे. And I think in the winters if we can have some shades or summers में approach with this thing, this is really nice because it's a big thing, big open space जो आपको normally नहीं मिलता है. तो this is the best thing, like जो जैसे ही मैं अपार्टमेंट में एंटर हुई ये सबसे ज़्यादा आई कैचिंग था मेरे लिए. एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ प्लान्स ये ओनर ने ऑलरेडी दे रखे हैं. तो अगर हम लोग सोचते हैं खरीदने के लिए तो हमको ये सब चीज़ जो है वो एक्स्ट्रा कॉस्ट करेगा, बट वी विल गेट इट. And then we can come inside. Okay, so this is the entrance and you have a bigger space here, a very big space. यहाँ पर आपको जो भी करना है आप कर सकते हो. This side is washroom. This side is one small room which is the kids room. तारा को ये रूम बहुत अच्छा लगा and हमने तारा को यही बोला, सॉरी चश्मा निकाल देते थे कि अंदर आ गई, बाहर बहुत धूप थी. तो तारा को ये बोला कि काफ़ी बिग है, मतलब अगर इसको किड्स रूम नहीं बनाना है तो गेस्ट रूम भी बना सकते हैं क्योंकि ये काफ़ी बड़ा है, इसमें अच्छा खासा बेड आ सकता है. Then you have this one small office room. Come here. Which can be like हमारा ऑफिस रूम हो सकता है, मेरे लिए शायद स्टूडियो रूम हो सकता है कि मैं चुपचाप आके अपना वीडियो बनाऊँ और चली जाऊँ विद लाइट्स एंड ऑल. बट इट्स प्रिटी नाइस क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो नेचुरल लाइट है वो पूरे अपार्टमेंट में काफ़ी अच्छी है एंड ये पूरा रेनोवेटेड है. सो दिस इज द टेरेस एंट्रेंस एंड दिस इज वॉशरूम. उस साइड जो है वो किड्स रूम बताया था मैंने एंड दिस इज द बेडरूम which is also very big. बहुत ही ज़्यादा लाइट है. लाइक आई थिंक जर्मनी में विंटर्स में सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट ये होता है कि आपके पास काफ़ी ज़्यादा लाइट होनी चाहिए. अदरवाइज लाइक जो भी अपार्टमेंट डार्क होते हैं वो मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छे नहीं लगते. ब्राइट अपार्टमेंट ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई रियली लाइक इट. सो यस, दैट्स अबाउट द रूम. चलो देखो, लेट्स गो टू एंड देन दिस इज द लिविंग रूम. I think living room is also very pretty, बहुत अच्छा है. यहाँ पर बालकनी है. You can put आपका अपना फर्नीचर, ये फर्नीचर भी मुझे सही लग रहा है. And come outside देखो. Actually it's very nice area outside also. तो area wise भी this is very good. Here आप यहाँ पर टेबल चेयर जो भी रखना है वो रख सकते हो. And it's a very open, like air बहुत अच्छे से पास होगी जो कि दीपक और मेरे लिए दोनों के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है फॉर अपार्टमेंट की एयर जो है वो पूरे अपार्टमेंट में पास हो. देन किचन जो हमारा फेवरेट पार्ट है, दैट्स अ किचन एंड ये एक्चुअली टेम्पररी है. यहाँ पर जनरली किचन जो है वो आप अपनी पसंद का लेते हो सारे अपार्टमेंट में, तो आपको जो भी पसंद है आप यहाँ फिट करवा सकते हो बेस्ड ऑन जो भी इसके मेजरमेंट है. तो ये ओपन किचन वाला कॉन्सेप्ट है जो कि ऑफ कोर्स हमारी प्रायोरिटी है बिकॉज वी लाइक ओपन किचन अपार्टमेंट. प्लस इंडियन फूड का काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम होता है विद स्मेल एंड ऑल, तो यहाँ पर काफ़ी ज़्यादा लाइक वेंटिलेशन है कि आपकी एयर जो है वो पास होती रहेगी विद दैट विंडो, लाइक द बिग बालकनी एंड ऑल्सो विद दिस. अब एक और चीज़, ये वॉशरूम है. दिस इज द वॉशरूम which has this shower room and then this and this side it's तो अब सबसे important is about finance और price क्या है. So we have one expert here, Dresser, yeah, is that right?
Dresser, yes.
Dresser. So he can explain. Maybe I can also. He's actually very tall, so I can also stand there. Like you can explain about the financing and the last is how much this costs, this whole apartment.
Yeah, so the apartment right now is 780,000, and really important about the financing part. So basically, we're going to be looking in terms of financing, in terms of affordability, what is important. So we're looking potentially kind of start first with 100% financing, and then we kind of look in terms of all the options for the client.
Okay, so just one thing, just to be stretched, 100% financing is possible.
It's possible, definitely it's possible. We have to look at the general situation of the client. The client's working, how is the client's been working, what's the income, what are the expenses the client has, what are the payments, obligations the client has, and then we're going to look at in detail in terms of all the different options. So we're going to look at the interest rate, the payment structure, the principal amount, and then we're going to create a strategy for the client to be able to afford the property with different options as well.
Okay, just one question. If someone from my audience or from my community wants to buy this or any other apartment from you, will you help with all this finance things and other things like the documentation? I would say bureaucracy and documentation.
Definitely, that's a great point. Actually, we have a network of around 660 banks in Germany, so we can actually go and tap all the different banks. Depends on the current stage of the client. Some clients have blue card, other clients have PR, other clients are German, other client has a dependent visa. So we're going to look in terms of all the different banks that we have. What are the banks are more inclined into? Blue card, PR, German banks. Or German clients in this case, and then we're looking at some financing options for them.
Okay, that's great. If anything you want to add, you can add. Actually, you already added the price of this apartment. So how much it is?
780,000. Definitely we have some room for negotiation as well. But I think what is in key is going to be the financing, making sure the clients, number one, they like it. That's a key thing. Clients that like the apartment, and after they like the apartment, we're going to go into the financing part. We're going to look at the numbers. We're going to look at the payments in terms of not only now but also the future payments, flexibility as well. Some clients will say, well, you know what, I would like to pay the mortgage down at 10%, 5% every year, and then we look at the options as well.
Okay, so I think 780K for this apartment. Also, there are chance of negotiation. Also, I think it's really cool because it's very expensive over there. But yeah, if I'm posting, I will be able to post this video, and if you like the apartment, just make sure that you contact them as soon as possible, because with this price you will get nothing here. So I'm very sure if you will come and see this apartment, you will like it, and with this cost you will even love it more, and they can actually help you with financing and with other documentation. So I think that's really a great thing.
That's great.
So yeah, so we are going to watch see other apartment as well, other house.
Yeah. We're definitely gonna look at other houses as well. The last point I wanted to mention is about insurance as well. Why? Because when you purchase an apartment, and say you have a couple, you definitely want to make sure that you have, for example, what type of insurances do you need in terms of the property. Home insurance that you need if anything were to happen. So we look into all that for you. Basically, a package in terms of all the different options. That way the client can see and review the different options from A to Z.
Okay, that's really cool. I think once you will finalize with Vanessa, then I think they can take care of all the things. I don't know. I know there are a lot of technical things and other things, but yeah, they can take care of that. Okay, then we are going to see other home, like it's a row house, other home as well. एक बात बताना भूल गई, यहाँ पे गराज भी है जिसमें आप अपनी कार और बाइसिकल्स और आपका जो भी स्टफ है, मतलब बाइसिकल एंड कार रख सकते हो. इट्स अ बिग गराज, सो वो भी इंक्लूडेड है विद द प्राइस विच they told. So that's also one of the plus point here. So we will just quickly go and watch this garage as well. Okay, so this is the garage. So you can actually park 2 cars, and this is the front portion. This is the terrace, if you see, and we park our car here. And a lot of people are coming to see the apartment. And I think 2 cars you can put it here.